United 2090, join Quebec, back to ramp, have a nice day.
Quebec ramp, 2090, thank you, good day.
Tower American 2727, join final for runway 9.
American 2727, Miami Tower, wind 170 at 6, runway 9, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 9, American 2727.
American 1182. Your choice.
Uniform and ground on the other side.
780, just type the straight in, contact 8 now, 780.
Okay, hey, thanks, straight in Dade County, man.
Miami Tower, good afternoon, South 393 with you for 12.
Southwest 393, Miami Tower, wind 150 at 8, runway 12, clear to land.
Clear to land 12, South 393.
And Miami Swift 702, just crossing grid here.
Swift 5702, Miami Tower, wind 150 at 9, runway 9, clear to land.
Runway 9, clear to land, 702.
Left turn.
Left turn, Victor, will hold short of 12 with you, American. Right.
American 2727, cross runway 12, contact ground 18.
Plus 12 pointing on the other side, American 2727.
American 2727, cross runway 12, contact ground 18.
Plus 12 pointing on the other side, American 2727.
Southwest 393, join Quebec, hold short of Tango, return to gate occupied at the moment, contact ground 18.
Alright, Quebec Short Tango, ground 18, 393. Good day.
Tower Envoy 3563, ILS 12.
Southwest 3563, Miami Tower, wind 2, clear to land.
12, clear to land, Envoy 3563. Swift is going to Echo 23.
Runway 12, straight, and then
Cross runway 12 and contact ground to flight 72.
JetBlue 2594 Tower, let me know when you're ready.
We're ready, JetBlue 2594.
Gotcha. JetBlue 2594, follow that Embraer up to the left side of the pad. You'll be number 1 for 12.
Following the Embraer, number 1 for 12, JetBlue 2594.
JetBlue 2594, runway 12, line up and wait, traffic landing runway 9.
Runway 12, line up and wait, JetBlue 2594.
Envoy 3563, left turn Victor, join Papa behind the Delta, contact ground 28.
Victor Papa behind Delta, ground 48, Envoy 3563.
JetBlue 2594, turn left heading 090, runway 12, close to takeoff.
Left heading 090, runway 12, clear for takeoff. JetBlue 2594. Tower Envoy 4171, ILS 9. Clear to land, Envoy 4171.
Tower, Frontier Flight 1771, input speed 9 miles out, ILS 12.
Frontier 1771, Miami Tower, wind 1609, runway 12, clear to land.
Full land runway 12, Frontier Flight 1771.
JetBlue 2594, contact departure.
Departure, good day, JetBlue 2594.
Envoy 4171, Tango Yankee, hold short of runway 12, remain this frequency.
Short of 12 with you, Envoy 4171.
1720 south.
American 1720 is with you, runway 9.
10 runway.
2 and American 1720.
Wind 1709 Niner.
Miami Tower, Sun Country 4001, ILS 9. Clear to land 9, Sun Country 4001.
Envoy 4171, cross runway 12 at Yankee, then contact ground 18.
Roger, cross 12 at Yankee, ground point 8, Envoy 4171.
Frontier 1771, joint Quebec, ground 18.
Joint Quebec, ground 20, Frontier flight 1771.
Tower, Southwest 1488, Brit inbound for 9.
Who's that?
Southwest 1488, Grit inbound for Niner.
Southwest 1488, Mount Tower, wind 1508, runway 9 clear to land, hold short. 2.
Cleared to land, Niner, hold short at 12, Southwest 1488.
American 1720, cross runway 12 at 2293, Mount Tower, 737, runway 9 will hold short of the intersection, wind 1508, runway 12 clear to land.
12 clear land, JetBlue 2293.
Skyways 4001, Tango Yankee, hold short of 12, remain this frequency.
Tango Yankee, short of 12, Sun Country 4001.
4001, and you're going to the Carbon City Tower, correct?
Affirm.
Yeah, come with you, just outside Ennis.
675, runway 9 clear to land, 1507, expect to lay off the runway for traffic and trail.
Roger that, clear to land and quickly off the runway, 3675.
Tower, Southwest 29, we're on the ILS runway 9er.
Southwest 9, Mount Tower, wind 1407, runway 9 clear to land, hold short, runway 12,
Clear to land runway 9, but hold short of runway 12, Southwest 189.
Sky with you, the ILS 12.
Back 1159, Mount Tower, traffic 737, landing 9, we'll hold short of the intersection, wind 1407, runway 12 clear to land.
12 clear to land, American 11 Sky.
South, 4001, cross runway 12 at Yankee, turn left from Quebec.
Okay, Yankee Quebec cross 12, short of Zulu at Sun Country 4001.
93, left turn steer, ground 18. Southwest 1488, joint Tango, cross runway 12, no delay, traffic 5 mile final, then contact ground 18.
Joint Tango, clear cross 12, then ground 18, Southwest 1488.
Delta 2821 is on the ILS 12.
Delta 2821, Mount Tower, wind 1408, traffic 737, landing runway 9, will hold short intersection, runway 12, clear to land.
Third line 12, Delta 2821. Barrack 1276, just inside Chrome for Niner.
Runway 12, get above 319, landing 1.
We are cleared to land runway 9 and hold short runway 12, American 1276.
Envoy 3675, Joy Tango Yankee, hold short of runway 12.
Tango Yankee, hold short now, 1236. That's a little busy here. Can you confirm landing clearance for Delta 2821?
Delta 2821, runway 12, clear to land, traffic landing 9, will hold short of your intersection.
Delta 2821, roger.
American 491 is about 8 miles per 12.
There's 491, Navigator, wind 150 runway 12, clear to land, hold short, runway 9 traffic 737, landing 9.
Clear to land 12, hold short of 9, American 491.
Trunk country 4001, cross runway 12, Zulu, no delay, traffic 3 mile final.
No delay to cross 12, Zulu, Sun Country 4001.
Southwest 189, hold short of runway 12, Tango, remain the frequency.
Hold short of 12 Tango with you, Southwest 29.
Runway 3675, traffic 2 mile final, cross runway 12, Yankee, no delay, then ground 1A. Cowboy 3675, cross 12, no delay.
Cross no delay, 3675.
Ground 1A, thank you. What? 59, good pop, ground 1A.
Papa, ground 1A, American 159, bye-bye.
Alright.
Tower, safe flight 701, inbound to IRS, running 9er.
Good flight 701, Navigator, traffic 737, landing runway 12, will hold short of the intersection, wind 150 at 9er, runway 1, correct, runway 9er, close to land.
Running 9er, clear to land, safe flight 701.
Good flight 701, affirmative, runway 9, clear to land.
Clear to land, safe flight 701.
Okay, 1276, left turn uniform, hold short, runway 12 at Victor, remain this frequency.
Uniform, hold short 12, Victor with you, American 1276.
Turn left, uniform, going to contact 1A, notify the runway, traffic, short final behind you.
Alright, uniform Quebec, we'll go to ground, Delta 2821.
American 491, left turn, Victor or uniform, ground 1A.
Left turn 0.8, American 491.
Southwest 189, cross runway 12 at Tango, then ground 1A.
Cross 12 Tango, ground 18, Southwest 29.
American 1276, cross runway 12 at Victor, then ground 1A.
Cross 12 Victor, ground 18, American 1276.
And ground, so flight 701 is clearing at Tango for Eastern Curtis.
Eastern U. So flight 701, if it's Eastern U, be a steer to the ramp. Swift flight 701, how do you hear?
Tower, safe flight 701, now request taxi to Eastern Cargo.
Swift flight 701, turn left on Tango, taxi to Eastern U.
Copy, thank you, Tango, Eastern U.